You know who's strong? Male ballet dancers. They're really strong. Like, you would be lucky to have them move you in to your fancy loft apartment in Soho. Can you hear it? Can you hear that sound? The waka 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 sound. Was there anything like that? My favorite? Ms. Pac-Man, because you could score better bonus points. And the music was more fun. And there were more wandering things to consume. So many hours spent playing this game. Putting quarters into a machine. Watching other people play. 2-player games. Switching out. I think about it and I want to say the variations seemed infinite at the time. 2 teams, 2 players each. Log in your name, high score, what are you going to put? All of that seemed just infinitely variable. And I look at it now and I think, no, that was before we had hundreds of television channels and Spotify and Pandora and punch up whatever you want. And yet, is it that different? The infinite variability. Who puts the quarter in? Do you put it in the left slot or the right slot? Do you put it in heads first, tails first? Are you using tokens? The sound of the tokens coming out of the machine. How many tokens did that person get and who is it? And oh, did you do the homework for math class? No, not yet, but hang on. So I just put in a quarter and it's time to play.